Okay, so since your brother did the last problem, have you worked through this problem? So this problem is a really famous geometry problem that shows up in a lot of different ways. But the question is, if I have a 1, 2, root 5 right triangle and a 1, 3, root 10 triangle, the question is, what is this angle plus this angle? And I'd like, even though you're not currently studying in the same book, but you saw how your brother solved that problem before, I'd like you to approach this problem using the techniques we just saw in the last video.
Alright, so we use the 2 plus I times 3 plus I.
Well, before even there, so if I add those two angles together, like how can I write down what those angles are? And how can I write down an expression for the sum?
Alright, so I guess if we call this angle X and this angle Y. So we know tangent X equals 1/2. Tangent Y equals 1/3. So I guess we can write this in a similar way. We can say it's arctan 1/2 plus arctan 1/3 equals something.
Some unknown. Yeah, so that finding the sum of these two angles, which are arctan of 1/2 plus arctan of 1/3, boils down to the same problem we had before, and so we can approach it the same way. So we're going to multiply out 2 plus I times 3 plus I.
I don't know what this equal. I don't know whatever it is. It equals C.
Okay.
So 6 plus 5I minus 1 equals Z. So 5I plus 5 equals Z. So this means that we have we have the same thing going on here. We have the real and imaginary parts are equal, so we have pi over 4 angle. So this means that this angle plus this angle is pi over 4 or 45 degrees.
Yeah. It's not obvious that that's true, is it?
So I guess that means if you have like a 2 by 3 rectangle, you can say that this angle is 45 degrees.
Okay, yeah, that was actually going to be the next video I was going to do, but great. No,
okay.
keep going with this idea. So, yeah, so we've got a 3 by 2 rectangle, and you chop it up into this 3 by 1 up here. So make that 1 and do that 1. So can we see that this is a 45-degree angle from the geometry?
Well, yes, because we know that this angle plus this angle is 45 degrees, and we know...
Oh, yeah, absolutely. We know from our prior calculation that these two add up to 45 degrees, but my question is, without knowing that, can we see it? Can we see that this angle is 45 degrees just from the geometry? Well, actually, let's explore that in the next video.
All right.